Hey, beautiful people. It's your girl Nelly from Coco Nelly Wellness. Our intention for this meditation is to increase our peace of mind. Today we will be doing a guided imagery meditation. Guided imagery can be used to calm your mind or change your mood. Allow yourself to sit back and relax. Your arms and legs should be in a position that feels comfortable for you. Slowly and gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, you can leave your eyes open with a soft gaze. Allow your attention to move to your breathing. Let your breathing become even and comfortable. Breathing is one way we have influence over our nervous systems. Continue to relax into your breathing. Now I'd like you to see yourself in a very special place. It could be a place you've been before, a beautiful spot in nature, or a cozy spot in your home. Your special place could also be a place you've never been, a dream vacation, or a place you've read in a book. The place does not matter, but we should stay with one for now. The only thing that matters is that your special place is completely comfortable and safe. Appreciate the scene with all your senses. What sounds do you hear? Are there distinct smells? How does the air feel on your skin? Can you feel the ground securely underneath you? Touch and experience the environment around you. You may also be able to imagine any taste associated with your special place. Notice what you're wearing. Do you have anything on your feet? Are you outside? What's the temperature where you are? Notice the colors that surround you. Notice what makes this place safe and comfortable. Now look around and see, is there anything that could make this special place more comfortable for you? Or something that should be removed? Now notice how your body feels. Continue breathing and take time to enjoy the feeling of comfort and peace in this space. As we close this meditation, remind yourself that you can return to this place anytime you please. When you are ready and at your own pace, let your breathing deepen. As you breathe very gradually, let the awareness of your body against your bed or chair return. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring yourself back to the room slowly and comfortably. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. You can lightly stretch your body if you like. Start to bring your awareness back to the room. As you begin to bring your attention back to your surroundings, I would like to spend the end of our time together in gratitude. Take a minute and think of 2 to 3 things that you're grateful for today. I know I'm grateful for you, and I'm thankful that I was able to record this for you. I wish you love, peace, and joy. Be well. Ashe.